What's up, bag babes? It's your girl Rockstar Rochelle and welcome back to another video. If you're like me and you are curious about this $20 mystery bundle for April, you've come to the right video. Why? Because not only do I have one, not two, but three mystery bundles to reveal here. If we've never met, my name is Rochelle and I am your virtual 31 consultant right here on YouTube. So if you haven't yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a big like for the ladies who are sharing their mystery bundles with us. I'm building this awesome community right here on YouTube, and these bag babes wanted to share what they got in their mystery bundles. So let's check them out. Oh my god, ladies, isn't that amazing? I think I'm seeing a theme here. We have a large utility tote and some kind of thermal, all for $20. That is an awesome steal, don't you think, ladies? Now, even us consultants, we don't even know what we're getting in these mystery bundles. So stay tuned, because I got a 2 mystery bundle reveal coming up later this month. I got a $25 mystery bundle and a $20 mystery bundle. So let's check it out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Check out my latest videos. If you want to know what this month's deal is, you can check them out right here. And join me and my kids on my 50 States 50 Challenge snacks. Send us snacks because we're trying to make 50 friends, and we've got knocked out 4 states so far. Till next time, bye.